Hi, I'm Darina, and we're going to talk today about composite functions. So we have function f of x equals 2x plus 3, and function g of x equals 1 minus x, and we have to find composite functions of f and g. So we have to find function f following g of x, function g following f of x, and we have to find f following g of minus 3. Okay, let's do it. What does function f following g of x means? It means that we have firstly to take function g, and then for the result we have to use function f. It means instead of x here, we have to put 1 minus x. It will be looking like. So we used the function g first, and now we have to use function f. And we will get, this is function f. So instead of x, I'm writing function g, 1 minus x. And let us rewrite it, simplify it. We open the brackets and we get 2 minus 2x plus 3, which is 1 minus 2x. This is function f following g. Now function g following f. So firstly we have to use function f for x, and then to the result we have to use function g. Let's see. 2x plus 3 first and then g. G is 1 minus x. Instead of x, we'll put 2x plus 3. It will be 1 minus 2x plus 3 instead of x, and it equals 1 minus 2x minus 3. Let's simplify. It will be minus 2 minus 2x. This is our g following f, and now we have to find f following g of minus 3. So we know f following g of some x, and instead of x we'll put in this expression minus 3, and we'll get f following g of minus 3 equals 1 minus 2x, which is minus 3, and it equals minus 3 by minus 2 equals positive 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. This is the answer. These are our answers. F following g, g following f, and f following g of minus 3. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye!